Sige si Phantom, Domi lang gamit, tapos si TA may deso na.
Sorry
14
guys.
minutes in.
Guys, 14 minutes in. It feels like it's 30 minutes in kasi tignan nyo si TA.
Radiant's top
14
tower is
minutes.
under
Deso,
attack.
Yasha, Facebook,
Puny
mga
Radiant
kaibigan.
hides behind their fortifications.
Aks.
It's underway.
They are gonna disconnect coming from Mirana. Grabe naman po talaga ang teamwork ng Team Phoenix. Sponsored sila na A4 Tech. Shit, kaya pala.
Grabe mga kaibigan, kaya pala malakas itong Team Phoenix. Mga professionals sila. Not to the context that they are very good players, but the fact that they are doing this for a living.
Yung TA po may-ari, kaya Matic sponsor kami. Kaya pala mga kaibigan. Wait lang CR lang ako, Chow.
Sige lang. Mga kaibigan, ini-stop ko na ang Team Phoenix. Silang masayang kalabanin. Itong Team Jodo, they're not playing a bad game. They're playing a really good game. It's just that Team Phoenix is playing a better game. Yun talagang Dota eh. Yun. I know you. I know you. Ah, yes. Grabe, Hino Sansan. Hino Sansan. Guys, so it looks like my teammate used to be schoolmates with this guy.
So, Chow.
Yo.
Hello. Yo. Shout out kay Sonson increase height. Sa mga viewers natin ngayon, nag-shoutout po mga players in SPOS. Bigyan naman sila ng onting suporta. Nandito tayo ngayon sa second round ng Jondar. Christine Jan Garcia. Medyo matagal po ang pause. So anong pwedeng gawin ng Jodo para at least makabalik sila sa game to?
They need to let the PA farm. They need to
Ano,
let
mahirap
PA
pa sila.
get the BKB. Or maybe not BKB. May ano ka naman eh, may repel. She needs at least a damage item. Hindi, she has Helm of Dominator.
Mukhang they look to the stack. Kasi ang mahirap ngayon, Phoenix is ano na, yung tipong may items na sila para mag-push. Pero yung Jodo, mukhang nagsiset up pa lang sila. Kaya mahirapan sila maka-farm. Kasi, tignan mo naman yung warding ng A4 Tech Phoenix. May isa dito, isa dito. Offensive warding. Kulang na lang siguro mag-ward sila dito. Pero mukhang kinokontrol nila itong lane nito.
Tsaka Chubby, yung smoke is really being utilized by Team Phoenix. Like every time a smoke can be bought, they buy it.
Tapos they always get kills from the smokes. Smoke gangs.
Kasi maganda
Kaya grabe nga naman talaga.
maganda yung rotation.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
And, eto na naman, kaibigan, mangyari na naman. DD. Pero mukhang nakita ng Jodo. Nakita ng Jodo to. May vision sila dito.
The question is, mako-contest ba nila? Yun ang tanong.
May vision din kasi dito ang kaya mahihirapan din sila. Pero mukhang rotations coming out from Phoenix to help out the, kita mo diba? Nakita nila Nakita nila.
Armor. Mapatay ka nila.
And they're going for it.
Wow! Oh my god!
That double crit.
That double damage is working. Shadow Shaman's down. Looks like
Spreads and
Omni
Radiant's
is
middle
down.
tower.
Omni's down.
He's fighting for
Team
life,
wipe.
and she's going
This
down.
is team wipe.
It's another team
Atom's
wipe.
advantage underway.
Medyo
Top tower.
malala.
And to think, wala pa si Batrider doon. Ang nangyayari sa Team Jodo,
Ang hindi ko may
wala
Oh.
sila, walang
Ang hindi ko maintindihan hindi pa nag-Guardian Angel to si Omni.
diba?
Hindi ko pa siya nakita
Its
nag-assist.
middle tower is under attack.
After ultis up and Shadow Shaman's only level 5. But I think they realized that
Grabe
they
nga
can't
pa
fight
talaga.
in the
Radiant's middle tower is
flash.
under
Realized na
attack.
ang chance sila manalo ay mag-push. Pero mahirapan na sila ngayon.
Mahirap na nga talaga.
Tower is under attack.
Especially with the Batrider. Batrider coming in. You're
As
breaking it out.
Radiant's middle tower falls, Axe's middle finger rises.
I got
It all comes down to high ground defense. High ground defense to.